Hello everyone. I have started knitting one shawl whose name is Miss Grace shawl. It is very impressive and I find it very interesting. I have already made two of them of the same pattern maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and the past 3 years hardly I did any project, and this winter again I thought let me make few more projects, and this is one of them. I have taken three it needs three colors particularly for this pattern. So one base color, one color 1, one color 2. So the base color is this one. Why it is called base color I will explain you. This is kind of maroon or deep red you can say. So I have already made this much, and this is my color 2. It is kind of a little bit green added in sky color. I don't know what exactly it is called, the name. And this is a multicolor I took. So these are my colors, three colors. This is base, that is color 2, this is color 1. And now where they are used, I will show you a chart. So I have started from here with 3 stitches, and then color 2, 3 rows, and one gutter row is called I am considering as one row, like that. So one row means when you start from here you go that way and then you come back, that is one row, means 2 lines, knitting 2 lines, consider one row. So like that, 3 red, then color 2, 3 red. So it has a proper formula how to follow. It's not random, it has proper calculation. These are called short rows. Here when we knit from here, it goes up to here, not there. So it goes up to here, then we come like that. So this is nearly 24 stitches. Then in the next it is 22 stitches we go and return, then 20, then 18, then like that up to 2 stitches. So that's how we get this triangle. I'll explain you more in later. So last time when I knitted, I took printouts and then I followed as a beginner. But right now I did not take the printout. Just to show you, I am showing. I am directly following the internet. It is freely available. See, Miss Grace Shawl. I found this 7-8 years ago, this channel, and I found very interesting. Very pink plus, maybe its name. I will tell you later more. So you see how it looks. Triangular. So the shawl starts from here. So I have done only this much. You see this triangle? So I have done only this much there. So it looks here there are 2 colors, but the one I followed, it has 3 colors. So I am just showing you. Let me change the how it will look. So if you get more, see here there are multiple colors, 1, 2 and 3, right? 1, 2, 3. And this is the base color it looks, and this is one is color 1, one is color 2. So I'm just showing you how it will look. So it starts from here. It is a perpendicular. The growth looks like a perpendicular when you keep knitting on and on. So I'm starting from here, lines. Here one right side triangle. Then I am about to start this left side triangle. So this is how it looks. So this is the end side. So the project starts from this side, and when you keep on knitting, only on the left side it keeps on increasing 1 stitch, on the right side it is constant. So that's how it becomes triangular when you are done. So the lines are like when we are knitting like this. So when you finish the project, your needle will be containing all these stitches on this side, and then we do the border. with another color. See how it looks. This is with another color how it looks. So here, see, these are the lines. So these are called short rows. Short rows means here it started, particularly for this one, this is being knitted from here, here, then like here, here, it goes like this. So in that way, this leaf or elliptical shape is formed. And then when this part is done, then only you can continue knitting that end and come back on that end, and then you get these lines. And this is another color. So let me close this if I can show you. So I thought I clicked that. So the chart I am following is this one. The website is, I mean the YouTube channel is Very Pink. Here, Very Pink Knits. If you want, you can go there. I like the way she explains, and I followed her and I made few projects and I'm happy with that. So I thought with a different color combination I will make. So this is the, I think people can buy the chart, but I did not buy. I followed like this and I made. So here if you see, I have finished this part. This part. This is A. So the complete project they divide into two parts. They call this one as A. This is B. And so this is the one. So here they divide each. There is a formula when the triangle starts from right side, and they are all in blue. This blue round shape. They are the explanation of the triangle that starts from the right side. And the white circle numbers, they are the triangles or the leaf shape which starts from the left side of the, if this is the right side and the back is the wrong side, you have to understand what is right side and wrong side. Wrong side means you don't want that to be exposed when you wear. The right side you want to be exposed. So you don't want the joints and the joint yarn to be visible outside. So those we expose the ending on the back side, and on the right side we want it to look pretty. So this is so assume this is right side, and then all these white circle numbers, they are indicating that you have to start these triangles or the leaf shape, elliptical shape from the left side of your knitting project. And then the yellow circle, those are the numbers when they start in the middle. So like that you can understand why the circles are white and yellow or blue. So right now I have finished this A part and this first triangle. This A part, I have finished this A part and this triangle and also these stripes. So all these colorful stripes, always it alternates with the base color. Here the base color is brown, so that color, for example, when here the red color is there, then after the red color it is again brown, then the green color rose goes, then again brown, then the red color goes, then again brown, and then the green color goes. I have knitted up to this far. So after that, with this brown, I am supposed to start from the left side to make this triangle. So far I have done. So first time it sounds complicated, but once you start, and because I have already finished too, so it's not difficult, but it is very interesting while knitting. So I enjoy this, and I thought if I will share who loves knitting, they can also learn and make some projects. That's my idea to share. So when I will keep on moving, I will share more and more. This side, if you see, this is how the chart A will go. So we started with three stitches here at the beginning. It starts with 3 stitches, and every row not every row, I mean alternate row. On this side, on left side you increase 1, the right side is constant, so here there is no increase, but here 1 1 starts. So when we started with 3 stitches after 38 rows, this is 38 rows, and we got 40 stitches. So that calculation is very important, because when I started my first project I thought it's okay if I add extra lines or something and I will balance with my rows and it is fine. But then every time I have to make sure and I have to calculate again and again to get all these colors properly done. So it is better to verify that when you reach here, before starting the first triangle, you will have 40 stitches in your needle. So how to get those 40 stitches? It is the first 3 is a base color, I mean first, second, third is base color, and then on third color too. So there is a proper formula how to make those 38 rows, first 38 rows to reach 40 stitches. So that the chart says. But in this video also, if you follow her, she has explained very well, which makes it easier to knit. So you can do it easily. So now when I showed you how it starts, you see I followed those. Okay, it started with 3 stitches and I followed whatever the instruction, I mean in the chart, and I have reached here. And here when we start from this side, suppose I have 50 stitches, suppose, I don't remember exactly how many this, but I stitched from this and I stitched up to 24 stitches, and on the next row from that side I stitched 22, then 20, then 18. So 2 stitch you will decrease while knitting. So it goes like knit up to here, then go back, then up to here, then go back, then knit here, then go back, then so like that we do. So that's how. And when I've only 2 stitches left here, then I knitted until the end of this side, and then I change the colors. So to make the left side triangle, here it says you have to start knitting from this end to up to 21. Here I started knitting up to 24 stitches, but on this side I started 21, because on this side it every alternate row it gets 1 extra stitch, right? Because we keep on increasing on this side. So every alternate row you are getting 1 more stitch. So they have some calculation, that's why they have made the chart to follow. So here the first row I have done only, so I stitched up to 21 and then I went back, and then I will follow like that. Okay, so see how it is. It's very interesting. And I just wanted to see my leaf look, how it will look with multicolor. That's why intentionally I chose one multicolor yarn, and I will show you what variety of this. So this is the cover of this yarn. So you can see Pound of Love, Lion brand, and because it is very soft. So, and this is also Lion brand, Pound of Love, though there are different pictures, but it is the same brand. So this is very soft. So this is the first step to choose which kind of yarn. Sometimes you keep on knitting and you don't like if it is not soft and you regret. So from the beginning make sure you choose the right yarn that you want.